So, with the change of focus in the world today, many people find themselves having to work from home. And this is a good thing, isn't it? Hi, this is Bruce Boyes from Homes and Life, affiliated with homesandlife.com. Today I'll be looking at working from home, and I'll give you some tips on how to make your time more efficient. And remember, if you like this video, please click the subscribe button down below. Thank you. Well, who would have thought 10 years ago that a large part of society would be working from home? Technology has advanced so far in that time frame that we can conduct a large part of our work from home. Not only the proprietary systems that many companies have enabling working online, but also video conferencing sites all give us numerous options for our remote workplace. So is working from home all about sleeping late, getting up, doing some Facebook, maybe some Twitter, and then maybe do some work while relaxing in our pajamas? Well, that can work. But my suggestion is, if you want to accomplish significant work, then you need to be intentional about it. So here's a few tips and suggestions to make working from home more productive and more enjoyable. Before actually starting to work from home, prepare your workplace. In a recent video, I discussed how the quality of indoor air is actually many times worse than that of the outdoors air, the outside air. So to help reduce that problem, open some windows, get some fresh air happening. Fresh air helps your mind to stay alert. And your workspace also needs to be a safe place to work in. Check for tripping hazards like power cords, curled edges of area carpets. If you have kids, gather the toys into a different area. Stepping on a Lego piece, which is very painful, or a toy with wheels, can lead to a fall. And younger folks tend to bounce when they fall, whereas after a certain age, the chances of breaking a bone are about 1 in 5 after a fall. And if your workplace involves stairs, make sure that the area around the stairs is not cluttered. And also have a fire plan and check your smoke alarms and fire extinguishers. Next, look at the furniture that you're going to be using. Your work can be done at the kitchen table. I know this because I have done it. But for the sake of your back, your shoulders, your neck, not to mention your eyes, use furniture that reduces the stress on your body. An ergonomically designed chair will help by giving your lower back some support, and others find exercise balls help, and stand-up desks are becoming fairly popular. Computer screens may need to be elevated a bit to give your head a good angle, reducing neck fatigue. So now you're all set up and ready to do some work. Well, here's 6 more tips on being effective while you're working from home. Number 1, be intentional on how your day should go. Get up and prepare as if you were heading off to work. You do have some time freed up by not having to commute to work, so that would be a great time to fit in some exercise. Then get cleaned up and dressed just like a regular work day. Make a list of things you want to accomplish today and prioritize them. Number 2, minimize distractions near your workspace. When working from home, there can be many distractions, so if possible, try to reduce distractions. If you have kids and they have needs, well, sometimes they will need your full attention for a few minutes. And unless you're actually using your phone for work, turn it off. No Facebook, no Instagram, no Twitter, no TikTok while you're working. TVs also have a place, but not while you're working. Number 3, if your day includes video calls or video conferencing, get that set up and make sure you know how it works ahead of time. It reflects on you if your call does not work because you didn't know how to make it work. When you actually need to make or receive a work phone call, Get up and walk around. It improves your posture and lets you breathe more easily. Number 4, take regular breaks, maybe every hour or so. Do some stretches or go for a short walk. And since the fridge and pantry are only a few steps away, keep some healthy snacks handy. Avoid the junk foods as they can mess with your blood sugar and make it more difficult to focus on productive work. Number 5, try to include some social interaction at some point during the day, preferably with video where you can actually see people. Social connecting affects your well-being and helps you to stay motivated. Apparently, we need social interaction. Number 6, set your work hours and stick to them as much as possible. Otherwise, you may find your workday becoming shorter and not as productive. Or you could end up working late into the night, which in turn makes it more difficult to get a good night's restorative sleep, and then it affects your next day's work. Setting specific work times allows for family time or just downtime. And finally, when you've finished your day of work, reward yourself. Maybe enjoy some music, binge watch your favorite show, or do whatever you like to do for relaxation. Well, I do hope this video has given you some useful ideas about working at home. It can be a very rewarding experience. And if you like this video, please click the subscribe button below. There's more videos to come. Remember, life is an adventure. I'll talk to you again soon.